BG Parks and Recreation presents Wintergarden Park, prescribed fire inside St. John's Meadow. Why use prescribed fire in St. John's Meadow? Because fire is a natural part of oak forest, savanna, and grassland ecology, traditionally performed by Northwest Ohio tribes like the Seneca and Wyandot. Fire was used to manage the landscape. Regular fires maintained a more open habitat, which facilitated hunting and travel, enhanced grazing opportunities for deer and bison, and promoted wild food and medicine resources. This supplemented their cultivated crops such as maize, beans, and squash. This polyculture, or companion-style planting, was referred to as the Three Sisters. The Wood County Pioneer Scrapbook relates a story where 5 Indian braves on horseback suddenly appear to warn early settlers in Hull's Prairie, 5.5 miles from downtown Perrysburg, to move their campsite. The Indians gave the Robertsons to understand their mission was to scotto, that is, to burn off the prairie, as they had not done so for 2 years prior. Nationwide, natural resources managers reintroduced prescribed fires as a land management tool during the 20th century, as our understanding of ecology and fire-adapted habitats increased. Conducted during cooler months to minimize ecological damage, these low-intensity fires reduce fuel buildup, decreasing the likelihood of hotter, more damaging fires that can ruin the soil's microbiome and can take years to recover. They also stimulate the germination of some native trees, grasses, and flowers, as well as helping reduce invasive species. Four months later, nature has now fully restored the health and native diversity of the land. As we glide above the lush meadow nestled within Wintergarden Park, the prescribed burn areas have become indistinguishable from the surrounding habitat. Time passes, and as the growing season ends, the production of chlorophyll slows and eventually stops. This allows other pigments in the leaf to become visible, such as the yellow and orange carotenoids. Bright fall light also produces excess sugars, making some leaves produce anthocyanins, a pigment that gives them a red, purple, or blue color. Bowling Green Parks and Recreation invites you to experience several restored ecosystems: swamp, marshland, prairie, savanna, and old-growth forest, all within a single preserve. Thank you.